I swear by Almighty God that the evidence I shall give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. My name is Tina Tipper and I'm a dentist technician.
You've been accused of fly tipping on the 7th of June 2012. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Please sit down and listen to the prosecution solicitor and answer any questions they may have.
You have been alleged of fly tipping contrary to Section 33 of the Environmental Protection Act 1990. It is alleged that you deposited waste outwards without permission from the landowner. I'd like to call my first witness, Mr. Chris Carey, Senior Enforcement Officer, to the stand.
Can you please take the oath, taking the Bible in your right hand, and state your full name and position?
I swear by Almighty God that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Christopher Tom Carey, Senior Enforcement Officer within the Street Management Team, Your Worships.
Chris, can you tell me about the offence and how you gained evidence on Ms Tipper?
Yes, Your Worships. On Thursday, the 7th of June 2012, as a result of a complaint that came through into the offices by a witness stating that a fly tipping incident had occurred at the Outwoods in Loughborough. I went and attended the scene and found 4 bags that had been dumped there. On examination of the bags, I recovered a letter addressed to Tina Tipper. As a result of that, I took possession of it, which I referred to as item CCT1, and returned to the office. As a result of inquiries of the registration number of the vehicle that was taken, I sent a letter out to Tina Tipper requesting her to come in for an interview to explain the circumstances. She attended Southfield's offices on Wednesday the 27th of June 2012, and as a result of that interview, she denied the offence.
No more questions. Thank you, Chris. Ms Tipper, I would like to ask you some questions in relation to the offence. Where were you on the 7th of June 2012?
I was with my nan.
At 7:15 in the morning?
Yeah, get up early.
I think you were at Outwoods.
No.
Can you explain why your car was at the location? The witness places you there. And may I remind you, this is a very serious offence.
Right, okay, I did do it. It was me.
No more questions. Thank you.
Your Worships, may you please leave the room to make your decision. Thank you.
Tina Tipper, please stand. Ms Tipper, we've discussed the case after listening to the evidence and we find you guilty of fly tipping. Fly tipping is a serious offence on the environment. You could face prison of up to 5 years for this offence, but on this occasion we're going to give you a fine of £2,000 and we will ask you to pay full cost of £552 on top of that. You have 28 days to pay the full amount. You may now leave the court.